If it continues, especially if it continues and grows for a long period of time, then that will be a problem. So this has to be stopped, and the sooner the better. We have to put a stop to. They have become a part of the brain drain problem of the country, and we really have to increase to improve our economy so that we'll be able to absorb all of our graduates, and so that they won't have to leave the country and find for greener pastures, as you say.
Sir, regarding the computerization of government offices, right now a lot of the offices are slowly being computerized, but based on a study by the Commission on Information Communications Technology, uh, they say that only a few agencies are fully implementing. So, if you're voted as senator, would you push for a faster implementation of modernization of government offices?
Yeah, of course, I will. It should be the pay should be increased, and to be able to do this is to put more budget into this effort or to this program, and that I will attend to if and when I not if when I become a senator of this republic. God willing, of course, and through the help of our people.
Sir, in particular is the computerization of the elections. So this year it wasn't implemented, but would you push for that in the coming elections?
I will, of course, in 2010. I think the next election will be in 2000. 3 years is more than enough to really fully implement it. And there won't be any more justification or reason for not doing so. In fact, I understand there's a group of students who tried to do this, and they were successful in proving the point that it can be done. And it doesn't have to be as complicated as some people would think. And so we hope that in 2010 or the next election after this, we will be fully automated in our polls.
Do you think, sir, it's going to be foolproof that no election cheating would happen if we
Uh,
computerize?
well, the little that I know of computers and computerization is that the phrase garbage in and garbage out. So it will depend again on the people who will be handling the machines, and the result will be just as clean. No? What I'm trying to say is that while we are computerizing, we have also to prepare the people or those who will be handling the machines and in transforming them, especially basically morally. So when we do have the computerized elections in 2010, we don't only have the machines but good people behind those machines.
When you say good people, sir, are these going to be the teachers? You earlier said that teachers should be removed from being part of the elections.
They could be one source of good people. No? The other source are the what I believe are the concerned citizens group. No? I don't know why up to this time a lot of concerned citizens group are not being tapped. For example, the civic clubs, the Rotary clubs, the Lions Club, even the Boy Scouts, and so on and so forth, are not being tapped for electoral duties. I hope in 2010 they should become part of the pool of good people that will be manning the machines and the computers.
Sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sure.
Thank you.